Hi third graders, today our target is I can identify differences between quadrilaterals and parallelograms. I will know I am successful when I can identify the qualities of quadrilaterals and parallelograms and sketch them. Okay, so it's not enough to just know what each one are, but let's compare them and see what the differences truly are. Remember from last time that a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 angles and 4 sides. Okay, I'm going to remind you, quad means 4, therefore it's 4 angles and 4 sides. All of the shapes below are quadrilaterals. A parallelogram is, on the other hand, a little different. Remember this side, think back. A parallelogram is a 4-sided figure with 2 sets of parallel sides. Parallelogram, parallel sides. Remember that these two L's are parallel. They will never intersect. So, the great debate. Rectangles versus squares. What do you mean, Miss Anderson? What is the great debate? Let's keep going. A square is a quadrilateral, so right away I'm going to think 4 equal length sides. Ooh, I see that equal is capitalized, so I'm going to put a square around that. Equal length sides and 4 right angles. Do all quadrilaterals have 4 right angles? No, they just have 4 angles. Not always right angles. Do all quadrilaterals have 4 equal sides? No, they have 4 sides, but they don't have to be equal. So what's unique about a square is that it has 4 equal length sides and 4 right angles. How many pairs of parallel sides does a square have? I see the top and the bottom. These opposite sides are parallel, so that's one set. And then this side on the left that runs vertical and this side on the right are also parallel. So that means that there are 2 sets of parallel sides on a square. 2 sets of parallel sides. I'm thinking of a parallelogram. What is a rectangle? A rectangle is a quadrilateral. Right away I think 4 sides, 4 angles, with 2 pairs of parallel sides and 4 right angles. So look back to a square, 4 equal length sides, 4 right angles. So I notice that this is the same, 4 right angles, but a rectangle only has to have 2 pairs of parallel sides. So that means it does not have to have 4 equal length sides like a square. Let's identify those 2 pairs of parallel sides. The top is parallel to the bottom, and the left side is parallel to the right side. So 2 pairs of parallel sides. So the great debate. If a square is a quadrilateral with 4 equal length sides and 4 right angles, is this shape a square? Yeah. Oh, sorry, that's a rectangle. Yes, it is a square because it has 4 equal length sides and 4 right angles. Is it a rectangle? Is it a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides and 4 right angles? Well, we know it has 4 right angles because we saw that with the square. What about those parallel sides? It is a rectangle. So this square is also a rectangle. Let's keep going. So this shape, it has 4 sides, so it is a quadrilateral. Does it have 4 equal length sides and 4 right angles? Those are 4 right angles, but are the sides equal length? Is this side equal to the length of this side? No, this shape is not a square. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides and 4 right angles. Does this shape have 2 pairs of parallel sides? Yes, so this is a rectangle, but it is not a square. So a square is always a rectangle, not sometimes, not maybe, always a rectangle, and a rectangle can sometimes be a square. So as you see on the left, that is a square and a rectangle, but on the right, this rectangle is not a square. So what's the difference? A parallelogram and a quadrilateral. What do they both have? Okay, they both have 4 sides. What else do they both have? 4 angles. That's right. What is unique about a parallelogram? Parallelogram has 2 sets of parallel sides. Okay. I'm noticing that a quadrilateral doesn't have any unique characteristics to itself. That is because a parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral with 4 sides and 4 angles. That is the difference between a square and a rectangle and a parallelogram and a quadrilateral. If you are confused, friends, please go back and watch what you need to watch. Otherwise, we hope you have a great rest of your day applying your learning.